Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some courses. If you're interested in learning how to make money online, one of the first things I suggest is that you take some sort of training, especially if you're really brand new at everything, you're not sure what you want to do, you just know that you want to start making money online, you need to start somewhere, and one of the first places to consider is training. I know from firsthand experience how important training is, and I know that some of the mistakes I made when I was learning how to make money online, I wish if I could go back and do it all over again, the first thing I would do is just start taking some training courses, and they'll teach you a lot. There's a lot of information that are in some of these training courses that you can't find out in some of the free videos and articles and stuff like that that are out there. So be willing to invest in yourself, okay? And you're going to find that a lot. If you're making money online, you're going to learn that investing in yourself is going to be key, okay? So I'm out on a website called Udemy. Udemy is not the only website available to learn how to do a new skill, but it is a very reputable, very popular website that has some really great training courses that you could consider. They also have some free courses, but again, you know, the free courses, they only give you so much information. If you want to get into the meat of it and really get, you know, drill down into some good information, paid courses are more than likely your best bet. Okay, so it's free to sign up. You just have to provide your name and email address. Very simple. Okay, and then if you want to buy a class, then you know, add a cart and all that stuff. So this one that I'm going to be speaking about is 10 online business models that make this person six figures. Okay, so this person is someone who has done it. They're making money, and now they're willing to share the information that has enabled them to make six figures. Okay, so let's see. It was last updated in 12/19, so it's fairly up to date. It has a 4.8 rating, 37 ratings, 351 students have enrolled, and you're also going to find that most people don't leave reviews. So, but the fact that, you know, 37 people did and it has a high rating, that's a good sign that it's a good class. Okay, so what you'll learn is 10 online business models that are profitable, popular, and available to everyone. Impact audiences as an influencer. Big dream with drop shipping, Amazon, FBA, fulfillment. Crush it with courses, and have it all with a hybrid. Attract clients with a social media marketing agency. Achieve wonders as an affiliate. Prosper with on-demand print on demand, pioneer a product or service, astonish with an app that requires zero coding. Okay, so these are some of the things that you're going to learn. Here's your description, and you could go through all that. I don't want to take up a lot of your time. I just want to give you an overview. Okay, so some of the students that took this class also purchased some of these other classes. That's not a requirement. Okay, here's the course content. And it gives you the duration of each topic. You could also, with these types of courses, there's also a question and answer section. There's also some instructors also provide you with PDFs and downloadable things. This is a certificate of completion, access to mobile and TV, lifetime access, and it is 6.5 hours of on-demand video. So you can watch this as at your leisure. Here's a little bit about the instructor. He has 11 courses, 16,000 students, 4,200 reviews, and an overall rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. And that's pretty good. That is actually very good. Here's some reviews. And they're not all going to be, you know, 5-star. Not everyone's going to be happy. They might have other, different expectations. Let's see if we can get 22%. Okay. So overall, this is a course that, you know, if you want to learn how to do multiple things, and the thing about making money online, once you get one established and it's a rinse and repeat type of thing, you can move on to something else and you can get that another source of income, because ideally you want to have multiple sources of income, preferably passive income, where you do the work once, you get it out there, and you continue to make sales 24/7, 365. That's the ideal thing that you want. Okay, so again, this course is called 10 Online Business Models That Make Me Six Figures. A link to go out to this class directly is in the description of this video. And if you take it, good luck. I hope you do well. I wish you all the best. And let me know if you have any other questions about courses and things like that. If you want me to do highlights of other courses, please let me know. I'll be happy to help. I wanted to give you this information. You decide what you want to do with it. Thanks for watching.